Our nose and mind are attached. Essential oils can help impact your mood. So today we're going to teach you how to make a roll-on that can help support you when you're feeling down. Our Hope for Tomorrow roll-on. For this recipe, you will need 1 drop of Basil Essential Oil. It's a very calming aroma. 2 drops Happy Joy, and 2 drops Lava. Both of these blends are very uplifting and energizing. You'll also want 10 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil. This is going to dilute the essential oil to put on your skin, and you'll need a roll-on.
Or you can use almond oil as well for this. So you'll need to take your cap off, and you'll want to pop this roller right off. For you subscribers, this comes in your bonus box.
If you have a hard time getting off the top, sometimes it's in there really tight, you can use a butter knife or a piece of floss to help pop it off. If you have a funnel, it can help pouring the oils into it easier, but if you don't have that, you can just freehand it as well. Okay, so we'll add 1 drop of basil. It has a very calming aroma. Then 2 drops of Happy Joy. And 2 drops of lava. Then we'll just get it through the funnel and then give it a swirl to mix the oils up a little bit. And then you can fill it the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil or another carrier oil. We're using a 3% dilution rate with our roll-on. If you want, you can bump that up to a 5 or lower it to be used with kids. To do that, check out our dilution chart, which will be linked to in the description box of this video. Then just shake to mix and then label it. To use it, you can apply it to your pulse points, breathe it in for an uplifting blend. I'm Katie.
I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists and we love teaching people how to use essential oils. For more confidence and clarity on how to use essential oils, check out our subscription box where you get everything you need to make this recipe.
And make sure you check out our YouTube channel too so you can see all the ingredients we use to make this.
Thanks for watching. A funnel can help make pouring your oils into your milliliter bottle.
Yeah. Wait, let me put this down too because I'm awkwardly holding that. Okay.